Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we're doing another unboxing video and a ride video, hopefully, for a company called EDBOO. This is called the Skeri. It's a 3200 watt, 48 volt. It's got 200 Newton meter bike. So it's a dirt bike, and there's a loose screw just sitting on the top here. I've never seen one done this way before. Show you, it's all framed out, metal frame. That's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to take all this apart and bring it out here so you can see it, but it is well built. Insane, I've never seen one built like this before. Wow. Looks like they're going to give you some tools. Got your charger right here. I'm just going to put this over here too. Yeah, this thing is crazy. Okay. So you don't have to watch this. This is a lot going on here. I think I'm gonna have to disassemble this frame. All right, I gotta tell you, man, that was not easy. It's actually bolted to the frame. So when you take the frame apart, your axle is bolted to the frame, and then your rear wheel has, it's sitting on a track and it's wrapped in that wire stuff. So that was challenging. But yeah, just EDBOO, I think that might be overkill. It might be perfect. If you do something like that, honestly, I don't know that you would ever have any issues, but wow, what a pain that was to take apart. But look at those knobbies, that is crazy. So let's, I think we might need to put the handlebars on first, just because, so we can hold on to the bike a little better. So the handlebars, let me show you this real quick. These are the handlebars right here. I wonder if there's bolts or screws inside here. There's not. Oh, hold on. Is that it? It is. All right, cool. No blue Loctite, which is a little bit weird. And so these are actually in the bag. Let's see here. This is going to be a little bit of a challenge. All right, let's get it. Come on, buddy. This is going to have to do something like maybe a ratcheting wrench, because you're going to have to do this right here. It's going to suck. Got it. The machining on this is dang near perfect, man. All right, I'm going to tighten these up. This is going to be a little bit of a pain. Let me get this on. All right. The rest of that I can worry about later. I went on and brought my own little Allen wrench. I like this ball Allen. Honestly, I don't know that that is the best scenario. If you can get your consumer some ball Allens, I don't see this as very much money. You know what I mean? This is cheap, because that right there is a pain. All right, so we've got a bunch of stuff going on here. So here's your axle. And this was actually put through on the frame of this, so just heads up there. You're not gonna be able to peel this off. You're gonna have to take this off, and then on the back wheel, it's got a bunch of wire wrapped around. Yeah, let's get this right here on the right-hand side. And what's cool, this ain't mounted right now, so let's just put the tire on. Let's get this here and put a washer in it. And then I'm gonna put my feet in between the tires and lift. Actually, I might have like a box or something I can put this under. Maybe something like this. What'll help it also would be for the back as well, because we got to put the shock on. We can get this. I'm gonna get that in there. There we go. Got him. All right. No washer, no nothing. This is kind of super odd not to have a bunch of checks and balances on your axle. Get this put on. All right. Look how massive that freaking motor is. It's insane. Okay. Because this needs to come through this hole as well. There we go. Why is this? How is that supposed to fit in there? That's not happening. No. Oh, maybe it's like that. I'll just leave it. I got my foot up under the tire so I can raise and lower it. Okay. That is crazy. And then I guess that slides. There we go. Like that. I think that's a little bit trashy, but oh well. All right, I can get this off the box, so I don't have to worry about it no more. Let's get it. kickstand. There it is. Wow, that was pain. I'm gonna tighten this up, but you saw how to put it together, and it's not super easy. That is a pain right there, but we did it. Everything okay? So everything else is gonna be on the front of it. That's massive. Isn't that crazy? Look at the little gas tank with the little air tank. That's so cool. Let's work on the brakes. And we got a little, somebody put chewing gum. That's crazy. Chewing gum wrapper right here on with the brakes. That's crazy. So I'm gonna take these 2 screws out, and then we're gonna put it right here and mount it. So these are threaded here, so we're gonna put this on the back side here. They do have blue Loctite on them. So we're just gonna got them. This is very easy. Lock it in. All right, next thing is, so we've got a headlight. We need to put a fender. Here we go. Should I do this right now, or I think we gotta put this on first. So that goes on just like that. It's got these 2 little knobs, and that goes on just like that. So you've got these holes here. There's some screws that are just underneath here. There's 3 of them. I'm gonna get these taken off. One of the challenges is gonna be, you're just gonna do this blindfolded. Just a pain. But, all right, I'm gonna take these little screws off and mount this real quick. It won't take long. All right. It looks like carbon fiber. I think it's plastic though, but it looks cool. Really great looking bike. So I got a bunch of yellows, blues. All right, so here we go. Orange to orange. It's got an arrow to arrow, and there's a little knot in here as well. So it's knot to knot. Let's put on the brakes. So that's one. So what I'm gonna do is unscrew these, tighten it on here, and do the same thing on the other side. Super simple. I think you can do that. That's not hard. All right, just swap those, put those on. They're done. Very simple, just 2 screws, 2 screws. All right, what's the next thing? What's cool about these is they got these NFC chip that fires this bad boy up. That's awesome. All right, so let's wire this thing up. There's a bunch of wires down here. We need to figure it out because everything else is done. They put the foot pegs on, which is freaking awesome. So many bikes don't do that. So we've got a red. What's odd is I just don't know. I guess it doesn't really matter. It's just brake lights. Their turning signals would probably be an issue. There's a green to green. Yeah, so red doesn't matter because they're just brake lights. Why won't that fit? That's weird. What is going on here? There we go. There we go. Very simple. I've not found anything very hard here. I'll just push in. Let's see if we can get this thing figured out. It's got a little notch here for your brakes and stuff. All right, I think I got, nope. All right, let me deal with this, but here's the thing. You're gonna have to line that up with all these wires pushing you out. This holds this, and then that puts in. There's nothing wrong with actually just putting a screw right here. Just do an inset and put a little chrome screw and it'll be fine. Then dealing with this, that's crazy, but whew. All right, I'll be right back. Let me try to put this together. This is gonna be a pain. All right, well, that's a terrible design, just heads up there. But I went back through here and got a couple of threads. I'm just sitting here, just straightening up the wires. Everything looks good. It's a pretty bike. Yeah, all right, let's go around and take a look at the other side. Let's turn the power on. And it does have to have an NFC chip. Boom, perfect. All right, that's on pedal assist 3, 2, 1, 0. Just fully charged, which is awesome. There's your miles, how many miles you went, your miles per hour, and your, let me fix this. Put that down like that right there. Anything? Wow, that's crazy loud. So the headlights, I wonder, does it have brake lights? No brake lights. So I guess this warning right here keeps it from going. Oh God, Jesus, that's crazy. That's 12 miles per hour. 21. 33. Let's go take it for a spin. I want to show you real quick. You charge it. There's the battery right here. Your charger is right over here. Very simple. It takes about 8 hours to charge from completely dead. All right, let's go take this thing for a spin. Can you see this? It's really pretty, man. So I'm 6 foot 200 pounds. It's a little bit, I don't know. I don't feel, it's a little small for me. Yeah, let's turn this thing on. You have to have the NFC chip to work it. And let's go check a speed check and let's go do a little bit of miles. Light on? Yeah. Let's go. Oh my God, that thing takes off fast. Seat's a little bit uncomfortable. You see that squirrel? It's a little noisy. All right, so that's on 1. Wow. That's 2. So it's running about 30 miles per hour on 3, about 20 on 2, and about 10 on 1. So about 10 miles each way. It's a little bit small. Ugh. We're going up a hill right now. It's got 32 watts of power. So this thing shouldn't have any problems going up any hills. This thing is cool, man. It's got some good raking trail. It's a little bit noisy. Hopefully you can hear me. Brakes are outstanding on this thing. This thing is excellent. So yeah, if you sit back like this, it'll lift up, and it's kind of spooky. This thing's fast. I'm at 30 miles per hour on 3. I didn't see no deer today. This thing is freaking fast. Look at the deer. That's crazy. But there's fawns everywhere, a bunch of baby deer. That deer was running about 30 miles per hour. That's crazy. Yeah, this thing ain't quiet. You're not gonna run up on no deer with this thing, but the motor's very fast. Going up a hill right now, getting down to about 28. The seat's a little bit hard. This feels good. Nice bright light. No tail lights. This ain't street legal. This thing is crazy. Wow. I think this is probably more for a young adult than it is for grown adults. You know what I'm talking about? I'm like I said, I am, oh my God, I'm 6 foot, 218 pounds. So I think I'm on the top end of what this thing can do. But yeah, I really like this bike. I really approve it. I have no issues at all. Very fast. At 200 Newton meters, when you gas it, it just kind of, it gets it. What do you call PS pedal assist 1 or 1 is 10 miles per hour, 2 is 20 miles per hour, 3 is 30 miles per hour. The hydraulic brakes, beautiful tires. I just like it. I definitely approve it. This is a beautiful bike. Really no issues putting this thing together. That little thing, that little screw right there, what's called EDBOO or whatever, put a screw this way. Just make that easy, man, and be done with it. Other than that, everything was simple. Wasn't hard at all. Guys, if you want one of these, I'll put it in the description below. You can actually just go to their website and find it as well. SKERI. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.